Hello students, today we will discuss about the altitude of a triangle. In earlier video, we had already learned in detail what is meant by the altitude of a triangle, okay, and what is the position of orthocenter with the different types of triangles. So in this video, we will just recall these important points related to the altitude of a triangle. These points we had already learned in previous video. Just we have to recall it, okay. So what are the importance points when we talk about the altitude of a triangle? So first important point is what? A triangle has a three altitudes. Whatever the triangle we have to consider here, the triangle contains three altitudes. Okay, clear? That means this is important, three altitudes. The altitude of a triangle pass through exactly one point. That means they are concurrent. Means what? There are three altitudes and these three altitudes passes through the one point, and this that means they are a concurrent. Okay, that means suppose this one is your triangle. When we talk about the altitude, this is ABC. ABC is a triangle and AP is the altitude on the base BC. CQ is the altitude on base AB and BR is the altitude on base AC. So listen here, there are three altitudes A, P, C, Q and B, R. So these three altitudes meets in a one single point, and therefore this is called as the concurrent. Okay, the point of a concurrence of the three altitudes of a triangle is called as the orthocenter. This point is what? This point is called as the orthocenter. This point is called as the orthocenter and it is denoted by the letter O. This is denoted by letter O. Okay. Now, next point is there. Orthocenter of a right angle triangle is the vertex containing the right angle. Okay. Next, we have to discuss about here. That is, there are the three different types of triangles. That is right angle triangle, then what? Obtuse angle triangle and acute angle triangle. Okay. So when we talk about the right angle triangle, the orthocenter is what? The orthocenter is the right angle. Listen here. Okay. Now next thing is there, that is orthocenter of an obtuse angle triangle is the exterior of the triangle. Whatever the orthocenter of the obtuse angle, orthocenter is in the outside the triangle. That means exterior of the triangle. Okay. Now and then orthocenter of the acute angle triangle is the interior. That means inside the triangle. So these three concepts we will discuss with the help of this diagram. Okay, actually we had already learned this one, just we have to recall these basic concepts in this video. Okay, so when we consider the first acute angle triangle, then what is meant by acute angle triangle? Acute angle triangle, which is the angle less than 90 degree. Okay, angle which is less than 90 degrees. So this is the ABC is the acute angle triangle, and we have to draw here the altitudes. Okay, I had already explained how to draw the altitude of the acute angle triangle in previous video. Okay, so when these altitudes, what are the altitudes? AQ, CP and BR. These are the altitudes of these triangles, and these three altitudes meet in one single point, and this single point is called as the orthocenter. Then what we have to conclude from this diagram? When we consider the acute angle triangle, the altitudes or the orthocenter is in the interior of triangle. That means inside the triangle. Okay, whatever the orthocenter is there, that always contains inside the triangle, not outside the triangle. Okay, this is the one property of the orthocenter. Now next is what? Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means the angle which is equal to the 90 degree. Okay, so in triangle ABC, angle B is the 90 degree. So therefore this triangle is the right angle triangle. Okay, and when we draw the altitudes of these three angles from the right angle triangle, then the orthocenter is what? The orthocenter is the angle which is from the 90 degree. Okay, that means whatever the angle is there, which is the 90 degree, this point is also, this point contains the orthocenter. Okay, this is the property of the right angle triangle when we talk about the orthocenter. Now next one is there when we consider the obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle which is greater than 90 degree, okay, then we can call it as the obtuse angle triangle. Then when we talk about the orthocenter of it, so listen here, triangle ABC, ABC, this is what, this is the obtuse angle. Why? Because this B is greater than 90 degree. So therefore it is obtuse angle triangle. And when we draw the altitude of these three vertices of this triangle, then these altitudes meet in one single point which is the outside the triangle. Okay, which is outside the triangle. Therefore we can conclude that the orthocenter of the obtuse angle triangle is the exterior of the triangle. Okay, that means outside the triangle. So this is basic idea related to the altitude of a triangle. So now recall once again what we have to discuss here, that is the triangle has the three altitudes. Next we have to understand here, that is what is meant by the orthocenter. Orthocenters is the point which three altitudes meets in a single point, and this point is called as the orthocenter. Then we have to talk about the three types of the triangles, that is right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and acute angle triangle. And then we have to discuss the orthocenter, position of the orthocenters with this type of the triangles. So now, so we will stop here, and we have to complete here the altitude of a triangle. In next video, we will discuss about the median of the triangle. Okay, what is meant by the median of the triangle, how to draw it, and similarly, what is the position of the centroid instead of the orthocenter. When we talk about the median, the concept centroid is there, okay, not the orthocenter. So what is the position of orthocenter when we talk about the three types of the triangles? So these parts we will discuss in the next video. So thank you students, I hope you have to understand this one. So please like it, subscribe it, and share it to your friends. Thank you.